At Enthu Tech, we empower academic institutions with precision SMT manufacturing solutions, bridging innovation and real-world applications. With hands-on training, we guide staff to confidently operate SMT machines, ensuring clarity and ease of use throughout the process. Our fully automatic SMT line simplifies complex manufacturing, making it accessible and intuitive for academic staff. Watch innovation come to life as we demonstrate real-time PCB assembly, culminating in a functional LED streetlight product. Through tested solutions and expert training, we deliver satisfaction and inspire a new generation of innovators. Partner with Enthu Tech and transform your institution into a hub of innovation.